There's a lot of mythology surrounding absinthe, but in reality, it's a fine quality spirit that enlivens your cocktail with an exotic flavor. The Fairy Tale is a dreamy experience that lingers on your palate and leaves you desiring a second sip. So let's get started. Let's start with an ounce of gin. Add an ounce of absinthe, an ounce of Saint Germain's, then 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice, and then juice from half a lemon. Fill the shaker with ice and give it a good shake until it's chilled. And we can add a little flour as a garnish. The blending of these wonderful flavors in the Fairy Tale creates an incredible, delicious, and memorable cocktail that is at the height of elegance and sophistication. The Fairy Tale is Queen Bee approved.